I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fit a shock absorber. First, gather all your necessary tools, including wrenches, sockets, and a torque wrench, along with essential safety gear like gloves and eye protection. Next, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands on a level surface. Finally, locate the existing shock absorber you intend to replace, noting its mounting points. Now, let's remove the old shock absorber. Begin by carefully unbolting the upper mounting points, which are typically found in the wheel well or under the hood. Then, proceed to remove the lower mounting bolts, often located near the suspension arm. Once both sets of bolts are out, gently compress and extract the old shock absorber from its mounting position, being mindful of any spring tension. With the old shock removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new shock absorber into its designated mounting points. Start by securing the upper mounting bolts, tightening them by hand initially. Next, align the lower mounting points and insert the bolts. Once both sets of bolts are in place, tighten them securely to the manufacturer's specifications, ensuring a firm fit. To complete the installation, perform a thorough final check. Double-check that all upper and lower mounting bolts are tightened to the correct torque specifications, ensuring everything is secure. Carefully lower your vehicle back to the ground, removing the jack stands. Finally, take your vehicle for a short test drive to assess the new shock absorber's performance and ensure a smooth, stable ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.